Okay, welcome back to the channel. I just want to go over a very easy and short routine to take care of our feet. We gotta walk around on these feet. These feet gotta take care of us. They help us with our balance, they help us with our coordination, they help us with fall risk, they help us generate a lot of strength and power. Depends on where we are in our life, we're using our feet and we're using them in different ways. But ultimately, as we get older, we gotta think about taking care of these feet if we just want to have an easier time later in life. So let's go through a quick routine. I have a ball. This is a lacrosse ball. It could be a tennis ball or a golf ball or a softball or a U-pick ball. Doesn't matter. Massage the foot. We're going up and down, lengthwise, kind of across the arch of the foot. Okay, I'm going to spend about 30 seconds on each foot. So if you just follow along with me, we'll see how we feel. I'm not using the timer. Actually, you can see as I do this, you see the mat starting to bunch up a little bit because I got a lot of downward pressure, okay? And, you know, if you can tolerate a decent amount of pressure, go ahead and search for that. The more pressure downward, the more we're gonna separate the tissues a little bit in our feet, the more circulation we're gonna get. Now, this is gonna be uncomfortable. Certainly, this is something we're looking for. We're searching for change, and to have enough effect to create some change, we're gonna have a little discomfort. So manage it earlier on here. First couple times you do this, you'll feel a little more discomfort, and more than likely over some time, as that tissue softens, you'll feel that it doesn't hurt as much. So, okay, that's the first. It's just lengthwise, front to back across the arch. Now we're just gonna go knuckle to knuckle. Again, we'll spend about 30 seconds. So I'm gonna put the ball kind of underneath of the knuckle from my big toe, heels on the floor. Just press some weight down into it. All right, familiar with stuff we do with the Active Everyday series, an ankle smash. We're kind of doing that, but anyhow, we're just pressing forward. We want that foot to smash and spread out. Keep it there for a couple moments, move the toes around, move over to the second knuckle. Put it right underneath that knuckle. Press down with some weight, push the knee forward, wiggle the toes a little bit, knuckle to knuckle. Okay, so there's 3. Here's the 4th. Let's go into the pinky, and then let's switch feet. Okay, we don't need to spend a lot of time. We could spend more time, but this is just a short quickie. Pressure down, wiggle the toes, let that foot spread. Go knuckle to knuckle. Again, this is just a short little, 1 minute per foot, 2-minute intervention that you can do in the evening time, first thing in the morning when you wake up. Really, anytime you've got 2 minutes that you can fit into your schedule, get a ball, massage your feet. Come on. Okay, that's all we needed. Just move around a little bit. See how those feet feel. Beautiful. Spread the toes. Gosh, helps us with balance, coordination, strength, all the above, longevity. Stay active every day.